Hello and welcome to traders and investors, and I'm glad to present you the daily market review prepared by analysts and experts from fx.co portal. Here we go. Here is Laurie Bailey with EURUSD currency pair forecast. Let's have a look. Once again, the major global currencies remain inactive following changes in central bank rates. The euro traded slightly above its level before the European Central Bank's rate cut last Thursday. What needs to happen in the world for a sustained trend to begin in the currency sector? In our context, a strengthening of the dollar. It seems that a global crisis, typically marked by a stock market downturn, is the key factor. We believe that investors are focused on awaiting such an event. The first anticipated date for this is the US election day. What would it take for the euro to resume its rise and reach a new high since September? It seems likely that a win by Harris could at least temporarily support a return to risk appetite. For now, the euro intends to break above the 1.0882 resistance, stabilize above it, and settle within the comfortable range of 0882-0950, as it did from August 5-12. The Marlin oscillator is also attempting to approach the zero line, aiming for neutral status to be ready for any market moves. The price is struggling with the resistance at the MACD line on the 4-hour chart. Marlin has moved into positive territory, helping the price to overcome the indicator line and the linear resistance at 1.0882. There are pivot points as a lifestyle. Evangelos Poulakis explains how to trade GBPUSD currency pair. The weekly level, which blocked the bears last week, has now changed its value location at 1.3056, strengthening the resistance area formed by the daily short-term trend 1.3038 and the peer boundary of the daily cloud 1.3056. The bears might use this chance to resume the decline, with targets now at lower boundary of the daily cloud, 1.2965, and the weekly medium-term trend, 1.2939. If the bulls secure a reliable hold above the current resistances, 1.3038, 1.3056, a new stage of upward movement could gain a solid foundation for further development. The targets in this scenario will be the resistances of the daily Ichimoku cross 1.3149, 1.3203, and 3257, strengthened by the weekly short-term trend 1.3204. On the lower timeframes, uncertainty currently dominates. The market has been in the area of traction and influence of key levels for a long time, which today converge around 1.3040, central pivot point of the day, and 1.3034, weekly long-term trend. To overcome this uncertainty, a directional movement is needed. For bullish movements, the intraday targets are the classic pivot point resistances 1.3078, 1.3107, and 3145. While for bearish developments, the focus will be on the supports 1.3011 and 1.2973, and also 1.2944. That's all for today. Wish you best of luck.